Hello lovely people, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing wonderfully well. So in today's video we are doing a simple pawpaw smoothie. So for our ingredients, we have in fresh pawpaw, everything is nicely washed. We have evaporated milk, condensed milk and honey. So simple as ABCD. Today our recipe is so simple. I know you're going to love this recipe after the video. Let's begin by cutting up our pawpaw. We all know pawpaw contains a lot of nutritional values when it comes to weight loss. It really helps in weight loss very well. So with this smoothie, I'm not going to throw anything away from the pawpaw. I'm not going to throw out anything. I'm just going to add everything. I'm going to add the seed to it. Are you amazed? Yes, I'm going to add the seed to the smoothie. We know, we all have this mentality that pawpaw seeds are not good for our health. It's a lie. Pawpaw seeds are very nutritious and it's very good for stomach pains and a whole lot. So I'll add my pawpaw to the blender and add in 2 tablespoons of the seeds, half cup of evaporated milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of honey. You can choose fresh milk or any milk of your choice. Cover it up and blend for at least 1 to 2 minutes and your homemade pawpaw smoothie is ready and ready to be served. You can enjoy this on an empty stomach and it helps perfectly fine if you have the aim of reducing weight. Please, if you want more of this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching today's video and stay blessed.